We're there again, you see it. Today is a different topic, and we have the topic of more just a long time, and for real, you really need to adjust. You see me? And the topic is about smoking, and the guys and the whole of them little youth, they wake up every morning, and always see them I deal with the situation. Me, if you wonder if, you know, them don't know say weed is a motivational thing. So you have to be careful, you know. 'Cause if you smoke weed, it motivates you to do anything you do more. So if you smoke weed and you're just sitting around on the corner and drink something special and you smoke weed and more weed and more special weed and motivate if you get because you're not doing anything. I think the best time for a man smoke a weed is when him done do certain things, and then when him look, him can sit, build a spliff and have a drink and look on what he accomplish, look on what he do when we work, when put through for the day. You see me I say? So it's like we put through a certain amount of work for the day, so we can sit back and smoke a spliff and have a drink and just look on what we get done and say, listen, you see, tomorrow we want to do twice. You see me I say? Or even 3 times what we do. That means that we keep on pushing ourselves. And if weed helping to do that, say you're going to exceed your limit. So if you keep on doing what you have to do in a that farm day while smoking weed, as something that will help you reach to a better stage. And we just get up this morning. When you get up this morning, you just get up and you just go build one bigger. Than when you build one bigger, you just go smoke one bigger and drink some special, and that's it. No, you have to take a thing to the next level. You can't just use weed just because of using weed sake. You just get up every morning and you build up one weed or one gear night, and when you check it out today, you smoke 5 spliff. And when you smoke 5 spliff, you can't show what you accomplish through the day. If you smoke 5 spliff, you don't need to smoke 5 spliff and you don't accomplish nothing. First thing you know, if you smoke and you don't do no work, because smoking is a thing where if you be careful, it's a calming and relaxing thing. If you have something to do and you want to get it done and you go light up one spliff, you will have problem. And like some people can manage, because them can build up a spliff and go smoke and get to do what they want to do and then go back to that. But at first, if you can avoid not start to smoke before you do what you want to get done, if you get it done before. Because I know that. Me have experience with weed. You get me? And I know certain things about weed. So a man get up every day and I smoke 10, 15 spliff and I drink 5 special. It don't work. You have to have a target aim and know, say, listen, this is what I'm going to get done today, and I'm going to get it done. When you're done, spliff bill up, relax, and just look over what you do and say, listen, we can do this better tomorrow, and we can put in more work tomorrow, so you'll get certain amount of work done. But if you get up every day, as you get up, you start at gear and a roll up spliff and you don't have nothing organized and nothing put in your head if you go through the day, if you know say you accomplish something. You sit down and smoke with for 20 years and not accomplish nothing in your life. You see me, I say, I don't know, we know smoking not good, but in a them day and age, you have to smoke a little spliff more time to kind of like, kind of pep up the thing. You get me? I say, so in the whole system of life, you have to know what you do. You have to know what you do. You see me? I say, get up every day and smoke and nothing at all. It don't work. So youths, organize up yourself, get something to do before you start this bag of smoking. Know where you wake up in the morning and say, listen, I wake in the morning, when we wake this morning, I have this to accomplish, and I'm going to get it done. When we get it done, we can sit down and just hold a jar of weed and just have a drink a special and just see what we do. And tomorrow morning we wake up and we try to get it done from a different level, same way. So get up every day and just smoke. So, and sometimes you say some man have some holy little youth around them and I get it. No. Say it's not good for your youth to start smoke until him pass 18. Or even later, because your brain soft and little, and when eat are going in your brain and smoking, it can affect you. Me see, whole little youth will take up smoking before time in a long run, it affect them brain. Them get all kinky. So when you see a little youth, you encourage him, listen, smoking and not eat. Nobody chase me and smoke. You need to go school, finish up your school, reach to one stage where when you smoke, nobody can talk to you because you pass the age of smoke and you know what you do. You understand? No. You start smoking when you're 14 and you take up smoking and then you reach to one stage where we all tap your and grow. Yes, me I say we all tap your and grow physically and mentally, your body liquor because smoking is a thing where you have to deal with it in a moderation. And something where you get up and feel you can smoke 1 million spliff a day. Smoking something where you try to go on like you want to compete, you know. So you have to use smoking for a better tool. You have to use smoking for enhance what you want to get done. You get me I say? And I like smoke, and when you smoke, it's just smoke so like a crazy person. It doesn't make sense. You have to smoke after you accomplish certain things. After you get certain things done, you can now say, all right, we take a jar and we just look what we are doing. Tomorrow morning again, we jump and get back on work and we get the work done. You see me? So youths them need to take it into the next level. And the bigger man, them don't give the little youth them with the smoke. And when them come around when they smoke, you send them go to say, listen, you can't do so. See me I say, because we don't want one generation of 1 million, everybody has smoke and nobody don't know them way out. You see me, smoking really good for your brain, daddy. You see me I say, when you smile like that, because your brain, when a baby born and looking at your head and say in school a beat, I'm more, them place is soft. So if you not develop properly and you start take weed from an early age, it will affect you in a long run. It affect you. So, you know, if you start smoking until you reach certain stage. But some big man with their own them have to need that them the big man, them have to take it into the next level and tell them, listen me. I don't fear thing this. First thing you have to plan for your smoke. If you can do something and not if you have to get high. You see me, you have to can reach to one level where you don't have to use things for do things. You don't have to use weed and drinking to get certain things done. You're supposed to can get certain things done after your normal effort. Because you see people when they smoke and drink and they might get them thing done. I think more people when they smoke and drink and move on a successful part more than all I like youth than when you say a smoke and drink. You get me? I say? So you have to kind of like take it to another level. And nobody make smoking look degrading and look like that because everybody has smoke and they don't see no headway and yes me I say. So they just want to address the system and address the subject and that's it, man. You get me? I say? So you know, subscribe, click your bell icon, share, tag, leave a comment. And leave a comment right now and tell me what you think about that subject I may deal with because you don't know anything. I'm out.